What up, what up?
It's your boy.
Welcome back to another episode in the house construction series. This is the 22nd episode, and today we'll be working on actually walling up the walls on the second floor. So let's get right into that. First things first, before I put any popsicle sticks on the actual walls, I'm gonna make sure I level out the top of the ceiling, top of the walls, just to make sure that everything is nice and flat and ready for when I eventually put the roof on, before I put the actual walls up. So let's do a quick little time lapse of me sanding out and smoothing the top of the walls. Let's do that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so just after that little quick time lapse, I got the tops of the walls all done. You can see like the biggest offender of it being uneven was this part right here. I had to remove the top piece of popsicle stick and then glue this part down so that this wouldn't move. But this is actually flatter than it would be otherwise with the popsicle stick on top. It's still going to be leveled off a little better when I have the roof put on. There'll be another sideways popsicle stick running on top all the way along the edge of these walls. So when that's on, the roof is going to be pretty flat. But yeah, just sanded down everything, and now I'm planning on walling up the actual walls now. I'm going to start on this side, this front side again, and do this bedroom all the way down to this room right here. So I think, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So without further ado, let's get into a time lapse of me doing that in 3, 2, 1, now. Alright.
Okay.
I got this part done. Just the front. As I said, the front walls, all of them from this bedroom all the way to this bonus room. As you can see, all I have left now is to sand the inside of the walls and sand the tops, make sure they're all flat. I did go up all the way to the walls, or the tops of the walls on these ones, not on the first floor, just because I could fit pretty much a full popsicle stick on top. So yeah, let's get that last time lapse of me sanding out the top and the walls, and we'll get on this video. So let's do that in 3, 2, 1, now. Alright, so that's all I wanted to get done in this episode today, just this front part of the second story, all these walls done, and the ceilings all sanded. Came out pretty nice. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.